Let's talk about this trade that I just got into earlier, and you're about to see the entry right here. So I I only put in 2 contracts because I am entering, I kind of front running it, and I just think that we're gonna reject that channel that's at the top. So I just tried it, right? I get the 15-minute candle starts to break trend, so I add in 10 more add in 8 more contracts. So now we're up to 10, and then we get our zone to start to break through. So I add in another 10, and then I sit here. Now I want this point of this video isn't the entry, the trade, and everything. It's the psychology of holding the trade. Okay, I want you to watch what happens. I want you to see that we drop down and we're into, the 1,000+ range of profit on this. And most people are sitting here freaking out that what if it goes up, I'm going to lose it, right? And I go through the same thing. I'm sitting here thinking the same thing, but there's a point when you get to in your trading career that you have to start to trust the system you're trading. Let the chart tell you what's going on, not your P&L, not your what profit you're in right now. Like, what is the chart telling you right here? This is where it started for me. This is where I started to kind of have a hard time with this trade. Is it kept pushing up and almost coming into entry range, right? So I'm just watching it, and I'm just I'm telling myself the whole time, let the chart tell you what it's going to do, not the P&L. What's the chart going to do? And here you go, right? The chart's telling me that we're going down, so let it go down. And then we get a new 15-minute candle, and at that point, that's where I go, okay, I'm happy with my profit, and I'm going to go ahead and lock some in, right? So I want to see what this next 15-minute candle does, because, a lot of times they're going to wick right up and then, and it just keep going. But like today, like we were really, really wicky on every high time frame candle. So I was like, no, I'm locking in at least $2,100. And here you are. There's a $2,100 trade. So just goes to show that psychology really matters. If you're going to watch your trades, you got to let the chart tell you what it's going to do. Let the market tell you what it's doing, not your P&L.